Where does he work?
He works in a bank.
What time does she wake up?
She wakes up at 6 a.m.
Where do they live?
They live in Lahore.
Why is this room so cold?
This room is cold because the window is open.
What does it mean?
It means you should be careful.
When do you visit your parents?
I visit my parents every Sunday.
Where does the sun rise?
The sun rises in the east.
What does he like to eat?
He likes to eat biryani.
How often do they travel?
They travel twice a year.
Why does she look sad?
She looks sad because she lost her phone.
What makes you happy?
Good music makes me happy.
Where did he buy this jacket?
He bought it from a local market.
When do students take exams?
Students take exams in December.
Who teaches them English?
Mr. Ali teaches them English.
Why is this book popular?
This book is popular because it's easy to understand.
How does she go to work?
She goes to work by bus.
What do they do on weekends?
They go hiking on weekends.
Where is your office?
My office is near the main road.
Who helps you with homework?
My sister helps me with homework.
What brings you here today?
I came to discuss a new project.
Where can we find good food?
We can find good food at that restaurant.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend my evenings reading or watching TV.
What keeps them busy?
Their business keeps them busy.
Why does he need money?
He needs money to buy a new phone.
When will the meeting start?
The meeting will start at 9 a.m.
What attracts tourists to this place?
The beautiful beaches attract tourists.
Where do your friends usually meet?
They usually meet at the cafe.
How long does it take to reach there?
It takes about 30 minutes.
What causes stress in life?
Too much work causes stress.
Who plays football in your class?
Ahmed plays football in my class.
Why is she laughing?
She's laughing because the joke was funny.
What keeps you motivated?
Learning new things keeps me motivated.
Where can I find your office?
You can find it on the second floor.
How did they solve the problem?
They solved it by working together.
What surprises you the most?
People's kindness surprises me the most.
Who designed this logo?
Our graphic designer created it.
Where do birds go in winter?
They fly to warmer places.
What makes this shop special?
Its handmade products make it special.
When did he move to Karachi?
He moved there last year.
How does she learn English?
She learns English by watching videos.
Why do they study late at night?
They study late because it's quiet then.
What does this sign show?
This sign shows the direction to the park.
Where did you find this picture?
I found it on the internet.
Who manages this company?
Mr. Rizwan manages this company.
What brings peace to your mind?
Meditation brings peace to my mind.
When do you take a break?
I take a break after lunch.
Where can children play safely?
They can play safely in the park.
Why is this movie famous?
It's famous for its great storyline.
What helps you focus?
A quiet room helps me focus.
Who cooks dinner at your home?
My mother cooks dinner.
Where do they celebrate birthdays?
They celebrate birthdays at home.
What does she do in her free time?
She listens to music in her free time.
Why do you like this color?
I like it because it's bright and cheerful.
How often does he visit his hometown?
He visits his hometown every 2 months.
What makes her smile?
Compliments make her smile.
Where does your friend study?
He studies at Punjab University.
Who owns that big house?
A businessman owns that big house.
What brings them together?
Their friendship brings them together.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to improve communication.
How do people stay healthy?
They stay healthy by eating well and exercising.
What makes a teacher great?
Patience and kindness make a teacher great.
Where can tourists stay?
They can stay in nearby hotels.
When do you go shopping?
I go shopping on weekends.
Who takes care of your pet?
My brother takes care of it.
What inspires you the most?
Success stories inspire me the most.
Why does the baby cry?
The baby cries because he's hungry.
How does this machine work?
It works with a simple motor.
Where did they go yesterday?
They went to the zoo.
What improves your mood?
Good music improves my mood.
Who decorates the house for parties?
My wife decorates the house.
Why is this table broken?
It broke because it was old.
What helps you sleep better?
A warm drink helps me sleep better.
Where do cats usually sleep?
They sleep in warm corners.
How does he spend his holidays?
He spends them traveling.
What brings you joy?
Helping others brings me joy.
Who fixes the computer?
The technician fixes it.
Where do they take their lunch?
They take their lunch at the canteen.
What keeps the city clean?
Proper waste management keeps it clean.
Why is this chair comfortable?
It has a soft cushion.
How do you learn new words?
I learn them by reading daily.
What stops you from giving up?
My goals stop me from giving up.
Who tells funny stories?
My uncle tells funny stories.
Where can I buy fresh fruit?
You can buy it from the local market.
What makes this teacher special?
Her teaching style makes her special.
Why is that street so crowded?
It's full of shops and restaurants.
How does she prepare for exams?
She revises her notes daily.
What makes people kind?
Empathy makes people kind.
Who takes photos during events?
Our photographer takes photos.
Where do you park your car?
I park it near the gate.
What keeps children happy?
Playing games keeps them happy.
Why do they love music?
It helps them relax.
How often do you clean your room?
I clean it every weekend.
What helps you wake up early?
An alarm helps me wake up early.
Who paints beautiful pictures?
My cousin paints them.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to America.
What makes your work easier?
Good teamwork makes it easier.
Why does the dog bark loudly?
It barks when it sees strangers.
How does the teacher explain lessons?
She explains them with examples.
What gives life meaning?
Loving kindness give life meaning.
Who inspires you the most?
My father inspires me the most.